Hey guys, this is Abhishek VJ, and I'm gonna be going through my assignment for assignment. Um, Let me start off by going through the index file. Here are the divs. It's split up into two columns. Six. There's The divs are start date, end date, favorites, title, body, created body, uh, limit. The drop down menus. There's sort, and then there's sort descending, which was created, and then there's the submit button, and the next column for to output the errors and to show the outputs. And here's the loading thingy. That's the code for that. Now my JavaScript. Here are the variables. Um, just the regular Ajax stuff. And then yeah, the variables. And then here's my validation for date pattern. I actually made it so people can input the way it's supposed to be, not assignment, as the MMDD years. I made it so that you can input like singular, instead of like 0 1, you can put in 1, or instead of 0 2, you can put in 2. Here's my error blank string, and here's my checks. If date pattern does not equal start date, and then, well, if start date does not equal the date pattern, then you get the error, enter a valid start date. And then the same thing here with end date. Um, here's the Ajax requests. And then here's get post.html. I did the extra credit here by annotating the parts. Here's the array of results, and here's my CSS. For some reason I couldn't get the red for favorites to work. Yeah, like my favorites show up, but I couldn't figure out how to get it to work. I've tried everything, and that's the only part that's not working out for me. But okay, let's go to the assignment. Let's just enter and keep it blank. Let's see what occurs. Here you get, please enter a valid start date, enter a valid end date. So I can put in, as you can see here, it's only singular, the month and the dates, and this should work, as you can see. And you'll get the same results if you put zeros in front. You'll get the same results. So there's that, and then submit. Same thing. That's because my validation. Here's the favorites at the end of the results, and like I said, I couldn't get them to show up as red, but that's that. Here's I can put in like the number of favorites I want, 50 plus. That cut it down by a lot. But here I can enter a string for the title. Let's see some of the titles. Let's say I want to get let's do BMW, I guess. So BMW, that should be the only one that comes up. And for body, let's look up for a word that might be in all of these, like some of these. Let's say let's just look up the word of, I guess. It's pretty common. So I get a few tweets. So now let's sort these. Okay, so right now they're in what order are they in? I think they're in, I think there's no order, so let's put them in order. So let's sort them by date. So it's ascending right now. Let's make it descending. Just turns around, goes backwards. Now let's sort by title. It's in alphabetical order right now. Let's make it descending, switches around. Now let's do it by favorites. And 0, 0, 1, 11, 34. And they're in order. Now switch them around. 34, 11, 1, 0, 0. So clearly the sort function is working. Let's see, what else do I have to do? Shoot. You'll receive. Hold on one sec. So here's my let me go through the end of the JavaScript. I didn't completely go through that. So these are the data that's going to be this is the URL, and this is the data that's we're working with. And then if the request is successful, this is the output. We'll output whatever the server wants us to. Here's my CSS for the favorites. I wanted to make it bold red and added some padding, but for some reason the red is not working for me. And yeah, so if there's an error, then you're thrown that the service is unavailable, your Cloud9 instance isn't running, and an unknown error occurred. And this is this shows the loading module. And then here's this basically says this is a loop, and if the results are greater than 0, it iterates through the responses, and it posts them. And then if there's no responses, it says no results found. Here's the array and CSS. And last part is to show the Ajax call. So let me refresh this. DevTools. It should be in network. Okay, so 41, 48, and then when I hit submit, it should pop up. And there it is. So yep, that's basically my project. Thanks for watching and have a good day.